This lecture is over Microsoft Visio. Let's start with a discussion of what is Visio. It's a software product used for creating a wide variety of business and technical drawings. Things such as organizational charts, network diagrams, flow charts, etc. One of the things I would like to point out you need to be sure you know how to do is how to use help in Visio. Be sure to check that out and refresh your skills. It works as help does in most software products, especially if they are Microsoft products. Take a look at it and you will be able to learn more about Visio if you need to. Here's an example of an organizational chart that you might create using Visio. This is a diagram I've built based on methods I used while building organizational charts in the business world. Newer organizational charts, because of web interfaces and websites, are beginning to include pictures of employees. To get started, what do we do? Start by finding the Visio icon on your computer or going through the Start button and looking at all programs. Check the Microsoft Office folder and look for Visio. Open it up. The first screen you come to is the templates screen. It's in the new area. So pick a template of shapes to work with or start with a blank drawing. You can build drawings from scratch or you can use a wizard. I will be demonstrating how to build things from scratch because I feel it's more useful to you in the long term if you can build one from scratch on your own. That way you're better prepared to edit diagrams once they have been built. Some of the basics you will find on the ribbons. This is showing you some basic ribbons and what the screen looks like. So at the top you see File, Home, Insert, Design, Data, Process, Review. The screen goes on, there's a couple more, and you're actually seeing a piece of the organizational chart ribbon. But if you will look before the item marked number 1, this is indicating that this is the Shapes window or the Shapes pane of the window. Number 2 shows you the current stencil that is open. You can open more than one stencil, and there are lots of stencils to choose from. Number 3 will show you the actual shapes. Everything is a shape within Visio, even the lines. To search for additional shapes after selecting one template, you simply go to search for more shapes while using one template. You simply go up to the More Shapes area just below Shapes Stencils, and you will find the More Shapes arrow. Click that arrow here. You will open up this sub-menu, and again, when you find the area you're interested in, click the arrow next to it, and again another sub-menu opens up. Then you can open up a second template of stencils. Your other option is to use the search area right up here next to stencils, so right here, and enter a keyword for a shape. Perhaps you know the name of the shape you're interested in. When you actually get your stencil open, things to keep in mind. On your home ribbon, this ribbon starts out looking very similar to other Microsoft product home ribbons until you get past the paragraph group. The Tools group is a very important area. These 3 tools are where you will spend most of your time switching between. Pointer tool is the default, and this is the one that when your cursor hovers over the page that you're going to be adding shapes to, looks like a white arrow. It's used to drag and drop new shapes onto your page. The connector tool is the tool that you will use to create lines connecting different shapes. When you hover over the page, it will look like a small black arrow with black crosshairs and a little right angle line next to it. The text tool is one used to create standalone text boxes, and it will have black crosshairs with a small box that looks like it might have lines in it. You use it by clicking and dragging to create a text box.